Kiwi Syslog Server provides the capability to auto-split log files by priority, time of day, host name, host IP address, domain name, and WELF format tags in message text. Using this feature eliminates the need to use filters and actions to split incoming messages into multiple log files. Go to File, Setup, and click on Log to File under Actions. In the field that displays the path and file name, you can place the cursor wherever you want to insert the new value and then click Insert Auto Split Value. Now, choose how you wish to split the log files, whether by date, time, priority, input source, host IP, host name, message text, or custom fields. For example, let's insert the host IP address into the path and the date into the file name and click OK. Now Kiwi Syslog Server will create separate folders for each IP and a log file for each day. For more information on Kiwi Syslog Server, contact kiwisales@solarwinds.com.